Help you fly someday.
Good.
ที่มาจากประเทศไทยมีน้อยในธรรมชาติไหม If there's only a few in nature, then why do you keep them as prisoners? They should be freed in the jungle. You understand? They're being tortured, as you can see, in these horrible conditions. And these are an endangered species of bird. Horrible conditions.